It is time to head on over to the Great Day Soundstage because we'd like to introduce you all to a brand new duo that is here. And one guy kind of looks familiar. Looks like Chad Elliott.
Good to see you.
What's up, man?
Doing good.
Welcome, the Pale Moons.
Yeah.
That is great. Introduce the person you're with.
This is Anna Kapaska, and we both live out in western Iowa in Coon Rapids and started singing together. We just debuted last month at the Temple of the Arts at my CD release concert there, and so yeah, this is actually our official televised debut.
Ta-da!
That is so cool. The Pale Moons.
Yes.
Where is that name from?
Oh, it's an O'Shaughnessy quote. You know, it's "We are the dreamers. We are the." I can't quote it. So look it up. Yeah.
That's where it's from. Well, that
Once
is
in a
great.
pale
Well,
moon.
we want to hear a little bit from the Pale Moons. You guys ready to go?
You bet.
Yeah.
Well, take it away.
This is called Even Still, and it's kind of a spring song, but we're going into winter, so this is kind of a hopeful song here.
It's spring this morning, I hear you breathing as you lie next to me, bluebirds singing songs.
The sun's not yet risen as winter's prison begins to melt away, leaving only what belongs.
All of your waiting, all of your hoping, all of your loving's got me through this year. I'm still learning, I'm still trying, though I keep failing, show how I love you, dear. Even still, I always will. Most of us wonder what lies under the frozen surface of what our lovers said.
But the ice is breaking, love. All the time I've taken up will soon be pushed downstream, leaving only what lies ahead.
All of your waiting, all of your hoping, all of your loving's got me through this year. I'm still learning, I'm still trying, though I keep failing, show how I love you, dear. Even still, I always will. Ooh, even still. Ooh, I always will. All of your waiting, all of your hoping, all of your loving's got me through this year. I'm still learning, I'm still trying, though I keep failing, show how I love you, dear. Even still, I always will. Even still, I always will.
Folks, you have just witnessed a television debut of the Pale Moons. Well done. Great new album is out right now. What's the easiest way to get it, Chad?
It's at thepalemoons.com. Yeah,
Just that simple.
Yep.
Really cool album. We appreciate you guys coming over and playing for us, but we got to get you going on another song. Can you do that?
Yeah, you
You
bet.
got
Yeah,
it.
you bet.
Something's missed, someone's kissed, you life blood straight out of me. Open my wrists and I clench my fists. You shine, you need me. Boy, is this one you always come asking something from me. Boy, is this one the road you run on always seems to run straight back
To me,
something you need.
oh love, I said all the books I've read describe the depths of you. No painting or poem, no sculpted form could hold half the beauty of you. Boy, is this one
You always come
asking for something from me? Boy, is this one
road you run on
always seems right
straight back
to me? Something you need.
I got what you need.
Haven't you had enough for today?
Can't you just learn to stay away?
Boy, is this one
You always come
asking for something from me? Boy, is this
the
one
road you run on always
seem to run?
straight back to me.
Is there something you need? I got what you need.
I got what you need. You got what I need.
There it is, the Pale Moons. Well
great
done.
sound.
Is that cool?
Ah, you gotta love it.
Just from this side, folks can't realize this, but from this side, so powerful coming over here at the desk. Sounds great. Now, your album available now. I want to remind everybody of where they can get it. Thepalemoons.com. Meadowlark is the name of the EP. So get it. What does it cost you for the EP?
It's like $10.
$10
I think
bucks,
so.
a piece
but
of
if you
cake.
get a CD, baby, I think it's $5.99.
Cheaper.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
go there.
Hey, there you go. See a little tip for you. That's so
But
cool.
go to palemoons.com. No.
Is that the way-
It actually is the link, I think, on the Pale Moons is the CD Baby link. So, yeah.
and of course, that's the website to find out where you guys will be performing next.
That's
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
Wonderful.
That's great. Well, thank you guys for coming over, and thank you for making your debut on our show.
Thank you for having us.
Anytime.
Wonderful. Can you play us in the commercial break? Would you
You
be so
got it.
kind?
Yeah, this is Meadowlark, actually.
I was lost, oh mother of mine, going into the dark, between the towns and lost of fire, searching for a spark. I heard voices in the dark. I heard sounds so fine, the sweet, sweet song, the meadowlark, mother, mother of mine. He was in